In this video, we will discuss creating circular surfaces, the revsurf command. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file Creating Circular Surfaces, the revsurf command.dwg, located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. The revsurf command creates a mesh by revolving a profile about an axis. This command can be found in the Mesh tab, Primitives panel, and then we have the revsurf command right here. Before we begin this command, let's verify what the surf tab 1 and surf tab 2 variables are set to. Remember, the surf tab 1 variable defines the amount of meshing that will occur in the X direction, or M as they call it, and the surf tab 2 variable defines the amount of meshing that occurs in the Y, or the N direction. So surf tab 1 is set to 40, that's fine. And let's look at surf tab 2, which is also set to 40, and that's also okay. So let's zoom in to the top parts of our train model that we have here. First, let's go ahead and revolve this 2D profile of this bell around this axis. So for this command to work, you have to have the profile along with an object that represents the axis of revolution. Let's set our current layer to m-bell and run the revsurf command. When you don't know what to do, look to the command line window. Select the object to revolve. That's this object right here. Select the object that defines the axis of revolution. That's, of course, this object right here. Now, what you can do is specify the start angle and then the end angle. So we want to start at 0. So we'll just press Enter because it's already in the command line window. And then, how do you want the included angle to be represented? Positive is counterclockwise and negative is clockwise. So we want to go around the full circle of this line here. So simply press Enter for 360. And it's that simple. Let's do the same thing for the smokestack. We'll go ahead and change our layer to m-stack, start the revsurf command, pick the profile, pick the axis of revolution, and then enter, and look how simple this is. So this is a really easy way to generate 3D data by simply drawing a 2D profile. Finally, let's go ahead and look at the wheels. We have a wheel profile right here, and we have a single line for the axis of revolution. Change your layer to m-wheel. And let's say for this one, we want a pretty accurate representation of this wheel. So let's change our surf tab 1 variable to 60 and change our surf tab 2 variable to 60 as well. Run the revsurf command, pick the object to revolve, the axis of revolution, then enter. And there's our wheel. Notice the granularity of the mesh model. Lastly, we'll finish off this one, pick the object to revolve, axis of revolution, enter, and there are our completed surfaces.